Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pamela. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys how I did these box braids. I first started using this hair. It was already pre-plucked, so I didn't have any issues with that. So I just went ahead and sectioned my hair into sections that I can be able to work with, and then I sectioned my hair into small sections where I put some rubber bands. As you keep watching, you'll see what I'm talking about. Please make sure you subscribe down below and make sure you press the notification button, so you don't miss out on my videos. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the rubber bands into some olive oil so that they're softer, like they don't break my hair, and go ahead and section the hair into sections that I can put the rubber bands. So I was done sectioning my hair into smaller sections. This process took a little bit of long time, but I managed to be done. And then I went ahead and took my hair and started braiding, using my hair as a third strand of hair to braid it out, and then adding some gel so that it looks neat, and then just go ahead and braid it out until the bottom of the braid. So after a few hours, I think 5 hours plus, I was done because I could stop and then attend to the kids and then get back to braiding. So after 5+ hours, I was done, and I used 6 packets of the hair. The hair came with 8 packets, and I used like 6 packs of the hair. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please continue watching until the end so that you get how easy it is to braid your own hair using the rubber band method. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.